We have to look around. Watch where you step. Be careful, just watch where you step ko, no? Oh. To open the gate. If anyone finds this, I'm so sorry you're here. No cure. Floor have... Ano? I don't know. Basta watch... Stop walking, Jess. Stop walking. Ikaw ba yun? Atan to. Okay. Cannot open this. Sabi ko no, I watch where you step. Diretso kaya kita, Jess. Dito, diretso lang. At the sprint, I need mo tagid i-hold the imong sprint buttons. Oh my god. Find a way to open the door. Yan yung objective natin. Find a way to open the door. Oh, press of the button. I feel like... Find a way to open the door. Para Jesso. Oh god. Wrong way. Ito na Jess. Ama naman. I didn't see anything. Wrong way, wrong way. Go, go, go. Be careful, just. Just remember, we have a sprint button.
Hey, I've been trying to get to you on the phone for a while now. Listen, you're in a really messed up position right now. The place you're in is known as a Russian facility that experiments on people. So technically, you are one of their lab rats.
Oh my god.
It's not a hospital, and whatever you're up against is probably going to make you suffer. Get out of there now, or you will experience the worst. Watch out for humans, as they may or may not be infected or be completely psycho. I cannot guarantee your safety in there, but as far as I know of multiple reports, there are inhumane creatures in that place. I hope you manage to survive and exit that place safely. Goodbye and farewell, my friend.
Remember, just the sprint, I need mong i-hold. Find a way to open the second gate. Kasi kung mag-under panic at una tagay the monster at matahas ano i-sprint hold do imo ano. We replaced the gate button to room 4. For new employees, that will be a room with green curtains. The reason the button is there is because we had security concern. Okay. I'm actually outside. Or never mind. Sa ano, Jess? Sa green curtains ko, no? Oh god! Oh my god! The light. The insomnia.
Ay, wala. Yes, sabi tapos.
What's that? Figure out which gate has opened. Sapiak, sapiak, sapiak. Go, 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 go. I-enable mo just yung flashlight. I-enable mo wa.
Neighbor.
Para
Pwede
matanakon. Di ko kasi makita eh. Nga nakabuyot.
Hindi mo man.
Enable ko man ang flashlight. Check every doors ko. Ay, hara, open oh. Hello? Kasi may mga stop eh. At this weapon.
Kapit siya pa.
Yani. What's this? A toilet? Oh my. Whoa. Just be careful. You actually need to look around. Kasi may mga stuff. Oh, look, a crowbar. Use the crowbar to remove a wooden plank. Sin dun.
Hindi natin alam.
What is this? Wooden plank. I don't see anything. Nope, this is not the one. I think. Sige lang diretso. This is the one.
Meron nga?
Do the
Galag ang.
do the honors just. Akigay cellphone.
Galag, grabe. Wow, nakagawin ko, no?
Jess, please do not die.
Oh, sayot.
Just
Yes.
over here. I think punta tayo sa kitchen. Use your sprint. Use your sprint. Go, 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 go. Ay. No. What's this? Potatoes? Flowers?
This wall seems extremely damaged and weak. I might as well find something to break it. I don't think any regular weapon could break it.
I don't think any regular weapon.
Explosive or a sledgehammer.
Find the propane tank. Gas tank? Saan kaya ron? Pwede extinguisher? No.
Bawal ka.
I think outside. Yeah, i-check natin si una. Wala ba dito? Pwede ba the bola? Hindi. Ayaw nila ng bola.
Wala.
Sa different room. Check natin different room. Check the doors kasi may mga something.
Notice that there is a huge breakout within a Russian facility located in Nevada. A complete hidden facility ran by Russians within America. That is extremely interesting. Apparently, people down there were promised to
unknown where the creature is located. It may be stuck inside or even worse. It could be out in the wild soon enough, present in the public. Who knows? It is unknown if anyone
Why
inside
there's
of the
people?
facility
A
has
shadow.
survived or managed to escape. We will keep you updated as soon as we receive more information. Triple FM Radio News, out.
Okay. Huh, that was spooky. Oh,
Lock man yan.
lock. What's this? A liver. Balik kami kita just sa una nga may bukas na pintuan. Yung nakita natin na crowbar, I think I saw a gas tank. Shh, cut.
Yan. Wait lang.
Wait. Okay ka lang, Jess? Are you good?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
chill lang. Just ignore the sound. I think dito may gas tank. Ito ba 'yon? This is the one. Pick up, Jess. Return to the weak wall nga to. I think I heard a boop boop. Be careful. Yeah, so what do we do? Okay, back away. Let's go. Kaya ko to nakikita, the lever nga ra. So what's the purpose of here? Oh, hello.
What have you done? Are you crazy? I just got a report of an explosion in the facility, and I know that you caused the explosion.
It wasn't me, it was Jess. She did it,
There's a huge
not me.
creature within the facility, and that explosion made
I'm
enough
a
noise to
good
attract the creature
I'm a
to
good
you.
person.
You are in danger. If you don't hurry up, you will not make it out alive. I managed to access the facility's control system. That's why I know exactly which phone to call. Look, I know I may seem as a bad person for not sending anyone to help you out there. It's just not possible because the creature took out multiple heavily armed soldiers. No matter what, that creature will overpower anyone and anything. Just get out, please. And be careful. Goodbye.
Okay, I guess we did something bad. Just. Nasaan kaya kita? Are we in a grocery? Wait, I don't know. Oh, hello. Wake up, sir.
Oh, hey. I didn't
Oh, wait,
expect anyone to
ma'am.
be here as this place is pretty much abandoned. What are you even doing here? And were you the person that caused the explosion?
No, it wasn't me. You got the wrong person.
Iyak ka? Infected yung luha.
Oh,
Yeah.
too bad. I hate to break it to you, but this is probably the last room.
Jeez, she's Russian. Look at her hat symbol.
Compared to all the other places, it's because it's heavily protected and didn't even get raided once. I have a button right here, but the problem is, it doesn't have enough power. You'd need to look around the place for power switches.
Oh,
and
that's
maybe
for the
I can draw
lever.
enough power to this room,
Anyways,
so I
about
can
my
press the
lever.
button and open the door for you.
Thanks, I guess. Before I had seen some sort of creature or received a phone call from a man with a strong American voice.
Huh? A creature? As far as I know, this place was guarded by multiple Soviet soldiers, and there was a breakout within the sewer, which is not that far away from the store. Haven't seen any of those soldiers after they've entered the sewer. And about the phone call. I haven't received a singular phone call because there's no power here and no signal, so that is pretty interesting. I wish you luck and be safe.
Tama gid ako. Wait, pwede na tong i-check iya. Basta may mga secret lever. Yeah. What's this? Nope. You have to go back. You actually have to go back. Look around for levers. This is the lever. Oh, fire blow up. You have to look around. May lever ba dito?
Wala ata.
Kung wala, we have to go outside. Okay. At some point, gaagtuman basi kita karon sa lock door, I think. Just keep going.
Meron ba dito?
Yes. I think.
Okay. Dito pala.
Wait for the cashier.
Kasi,
Bakit beep kita?
Emergency. Power has been activated. I repeat. Emergency. Power has been activated.
You have to go just...
Anyone with Tier 1 access, please return to your rooms to avoid conflicts. I repeat. Anyone with Tier 1 access, please return to your rooms to avoid conflicts.
to the cashier. We are here, ma'am. We came back.
I have toggled all the levers. Could you press the button to open the door for me?
Sure, no problem. Good luck out there.
Oh, okay. Be careful, be careful.
no.
Nope. Wrong way. Is this thing open? Oh. Careful, be careful.
Magagpo mo lang.
Oh wait, there's another lever.
Siguro parang nag-open the gate.
I think something happened. My CCTV.
Ano?
What happened?
Ano? Dun ko open. Kasi din doon sa left. Never na to.
What happened? Hello?
Gawin niyo dito.
Pasi hold.
Ma-open.
Ina-pushed. Ina-push. Push mo, just. Oh, God.
Ayun.
Oh my God, just be careful. Spooky. Bukas. Alo, una the monster sa sewer? Is this worth it? Or ano, Nikita? Explore. Push mo.
Eh, gago.
Oh my God, what's this? Inspect.
It seems like people down here tried to escape. This guy left a note and it says, I've been stuck in this sewer for weeks, maybe months. I lost track. Anyway, I've been planning out to exit it, but I need to turn valves to release the exit gate's pressure. I also need shears to cut the chains and a crowbar to lift that heavy gate.
Crowbar?
Possible to escape. As long as that creature doesn't get me, if not, I hope you can do something with this information.
I'm hearing things.
I hope the person who wrote this found their way out. But
This is where our sprint really needed so bad. Find walls. Don't worry, Jess. We will stick together. I-paper mo lang yung mong sprint at all cost.
Ano ba lang?
Sabi di ba ni Mali short valves? Yung mingko bilog at tulad ni Mau?
Nawag ka ko?
Yung flashlight.
Pero nga, pag ano lang, like, hindi na.
Don't worry, keep going. I see. Ano yung brightness? Konti. Oh look,
Wala ko.
I found one. 3 valves. Okay, 1 down, 2 more. Oh, there's a door. I-push just. Small bulbs. Hala, just. Low, run out!